Hello, welcome to the Turntable Class with GB Audio. On the bench today we've got a Thorens TD150 Mk2 transcription turntable. It's got the original Thorens TP13A tonearm and it's got a Shure M75EJ cartridge. It's in for a full service and setup. What I'm not going to do is replace the plinth or the baseboard. I'm not going to polish the platter or the deck, make it look pretty. There's enough videos showing you how to do that sort of thing. Instead, I'm going to go through all the setup of the adjustable parameters on this deck. The tutorial will be broken down into 3 sections. The top deck, dealing with the drive belt, motor pulley, azimuth and the main bearing. The second tutorial will be below deck, so suspension, the springs, the foam, nuts and internal wiring. And the third section will be concerning the head shell, cartridge and tone arm setup. And it's best done in that order. On the top, just before we start, we'll have a quick look around. We've got our speed selector over here, our lift and lower switch, and then the tone arm itself with the counterweight and bias weight. There's this handy little adapter for 45s, which is quite cute, and we'll begin the tutorial in a moment. Before we start, the first thing we need to do, just make sure that the table or shelf you're working on is completely level.